What's up, you YouTubers? Sorry about that. Probably missed that video. My talking Angela again. Because I messed up a video. Yeah. Serious Rabbit. Let's feed her. And that's it. She's all ready to go. So, and I got Sims, yeah. I'm gonna play Subway Surfers. Okay. Ow. Playing Subway Surfers like at 9:35 p.m. right now. And I have something on Sims. I have a quest. I restarted my Sims for no reason. I don't know why. I was just I don't know. That day I was just disappointed in myself. Okay. Oh well. That was my fault. So. Okay. Start playing when pick up. Okay. So yeah. I need to complete this daily challenge. Find WINN for win. So yeah. I haven't really made a YouTube video in a while. And I hope you guys will enjoy this one. So. How could they get a top one? Mine was only like at 300 something thousand. Some people out there, you know what, guys? I'm going this lane. But you guys might be wondering why I missed all those coins. Because I wanted to get that boomerang, because I need to collect those. So I only have 6 out of 40. So, gotta keep collecting. That's more important. Hey, I just got one. Let's see what I got. Daily challenge complete. Can't wait to open my box. Woohoo! Man, if he did that in real life, he would have died. Well, no, not really. But if you, like, fell from a really high sky with no parachute or anything, I would feel bad for you. You would die. Sadly. Well. So, if I can get, like, about 10 subscribers or so, I'll be happy. And I'll give a shout out to you guys, whoever did that. Just leave your comment below if you like this video or not. And yeah, so if I like bump into something or lose, then I'm gonna have to shut this video down. Okay, so let's see what our prize is. Not really all that valuable. No, that's valuable. So, hope you guys enjoyed that video. And please, at least 10 subscribers, and I'll be happy. Bye.